Want to replace your washing machine door switch? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a hex key, and a new door switch. Step 1. Remove the door. Open the washer machine. Loosen the screws on the hinge and carefully remove the door from the appliance. Step 2. Remove the old door switch. You can see the door switch in the front panel next to the door opening. On some appliances, the door switch can be reached from the top of the appliance, in which case the front does not need to be removed. In this case, it must. If necessary, remove the control panel and disconnect the cable. Disconnect the door switch from the front panel. Then disconnect the cables from the door switch. Step 3. Insert the new door switch. Reattach the cables to the new door switch. Then reattach it in the front panel. Reinstall the front panel and make sure that the door switch goes back into the housing part. Step 4. Fasten the front panel and reattach the cuff. When attaching the cuff, it may be useful to ask an extra person to hold it in place. Step 5. Place the door back on the washing machine. Tighten the screws on the door hinge again. You have replaced the door switch and the washing machine is ready to use again.